Hello and welcome to the course. This is a very short lecture. In the previous video, we have seen that how to join multiple tables and by using natural inner join function. And the requirement for this inner join function is we should have physical relationship between different tables. So for example, if I delete the relation between product category and product subcategory, so I have deleted. And now we need to go to the Duck Studio. First of all, we have to click refresh metadata so that this Duck Studio should get the updates from the data model, from the Power BI desktop data model. So let me click refresh, and if I try to click run, we are getting one error. It is no common join column detected. Join function natural inner join requires at least one common join column. The physical relationship is mandatory to use natural inner join. So let's go back to the data model, and we need to again reconnect product category key with product category key. So we again have a connection there. Now let's go back to the Duck Studio and refresh the metadata. So the metadata has been refreshed. Now we can again click run and see where we are able to see all the stuff back. So that's all about if we don't have the physical relationship, then we can't use natural inner join.